Hello and welcome to my channel. That was a weird wave, sorry. Anyway, today I've got a nice dark winter look for you, so let's get started. Now, I skipped showing the eye primer this time because I don't really think you need me to tell you how to apply just, a thin layer of eye primer to your eyelids. But I did that, and now we're going to move on to the color. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette this time. You don't have to use the exact same stuff that I do. Just use something that is, purple. I'm starting off with a soft lavender shade, quite a pale one, just to, both really to set the primer in the crease, but also just to get some purple there so the other purple shades are going to blend better. Now I'm stuffing a darker purple shade in the outer V. You've seen the thumbnail, you know what I'm planning. Well, at least I know what I'm planning. I'm not sure if it's going to turn out that way. So really, if you've seen the thumbnail, you know more than me at this point. But either way, the idea is to get sort of a sharp look. However, for now, just focus on blending, and anything we need to remove to make it sharper, we can just do with makeup remover by the end of the eye look. So don't worry about that, just blend. Now lastly, I'm going to use, lastly for the crease part at least, I'm going to use a dark black. That is dark to begin with, that's sort of a given. Anyway, otherwise it would be grey, like my shirt. Anyway, point being, I'm going to put that in the outer line pretty much. And just very carefully blend it out with a very small brush. I don't want to cover all of the purple with this. Just, darken it up on the outer corner. Also, this particular eyeshadow has some purple glitter in it, but you can't really see it when you blend it out anyway. So if you just have a normal black eyeshadow, that's fine too. Then the brow bone highlights. I'm using a separate eyeshadow for that, just because this happens to be my favorite brow bone highlight, basically. And then we're just gonna go over everything again with the big fluffy blender without any extra product. Just go over it until it's like perfectly smooth. And then for the final part of the eyeshadow, we're just going to use purple shimmer on, basically the entire part of the moving eyelids that we have left. Then it's time for some eyeliner. Basically, I'm going to use a white liner right around here, just to make sort of a cut crease effect in the inner corner. And then followed by just, a regular black eyeliner on the eyelid. And by now we've also done the face base real quick. Real quick, who am I kidding? This took ages, but anyway. We're gonna move back to the eyes now with a small brush. We're starting off with applying the black eyeshadow with the edge of the brush between the lower lashes. And obviously, considering I've already done foundation and powder and concealer, I really don't want to mess this up. So I'm taking my time with this. And then very carefully I'm applying the purple eyeshadow on a small brush. I say very carefully while I nearly poke myself in the freaking eyeball. Be careful. Don't do as I do. And then I'm putting some nude liner on the waterline. You could totally do black and do it full on dark, but I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it looks nicer on me if I actually make the bottom a bit lighter. And then this is a nice moment to remember that I almost forgot to put inner corner highlight on. Using a very, very pale pink glitter for that. Then to just finish off the look, I'm going to do my lips and my lashes, and then we're fully done. And here we have the final result. I sort of feel like I look like a modern Disney villain. But I'm not mad at it, because I like black lipstick, I like purple, and I like vaguely goth-ish looks. So yeah, this is pretty much right up my alley. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was useful to you if you want to do a look like this. And for now, as always, thank you very much for watching this video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!